LaTeX Math for Confluence lets you render complex math formulas and equations directly on your Confluence pages. Today, we'll show you how to write matrices, one of the most common ways to organize numbers or expressions in a grid. In LaTeX, you can create a matrix that arranges elements into rows and columns. The simplest way to create a matrix is using the matrix command. Use the ampersand symbol to separate elements within a row and double backslash to start a new row. If you want brackets around your matrix, use a different option. Choose parentheses, square brackets, curly braces, single vertical bars, or double vertical bars. You can also adjust the size of your matrix using special formatting commands. Reduce the font size moderately or make the matrix very compact. This is helpful when you need to fit a matrix into limited space or improve readability. Try LaTeX Math for Confluence free for 30 days on the Atlassian Marketplace. Links are in the description below.